Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today's video we're going to make vegan roll. So we need here a rice paper, vermicelli, lettuce, pre-cooked pork, and shrimp. We need also here sliced ginger for the sauce, peanut butter, and hoisin sauce. So we need to wash our lettuce first and soak it for at least 15 minutes with salt. And soak our vermicelli for 15 minutes with hot water. We're going to cook our shrimp. Don't overcook your shrimp. Add some salt. And now we're going to peel off the skin of our shrimp. Just like this. And we're going to cut into half. Just like this one. And we're going to wash our lettuce. Wash it for 3 times. And now our lettuce is already prepared. We also cut our carrots into julienne cut, and cucumber and spring onion. And now we already sliced our pre-cooked pork, and we need also here water. We're going to soak our rice paper just like that and put in a plate, and we're going to add our vegetables and other ingredients. Put our lettuce, and we're going to add our vermicelli. Add the other vegetables like carrots and cucumber, as well as a spring onion, and then roll it. And you're going to add our pork. And wrap it. And we're going to add our shrimp. And there you go. And now we're going to prepare our sauce. In a saucepan, we're going to saute our garlic. And we're going to add 1 teaspoon of hoisin sauce. Add some water. We're going to cook it in a slow fire. And we're going to add a little bit of sugar and add our peanut butter. And it's done. So I hope you like our recipe for today. Thank you for watching, guys. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.